I think their claim on the page, I noticed that this, I think they claim that their agents are highly specialized and trained in marketing, analytics and all the data workflows. And they say that they're over 300 more accurate, uh,
300%
or
more
on
accurate?
relevant industry. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like that's a very bold statement. I understand some of that is, so it's just a
Marketing spin.
bullshit thing, people just putting out there. But that's a I take it seriously from the company that is analytics based, right? It's like, yeah, you probably check this.
Yeah, we should ask him.
So we probably should, right? By the way, I was trying to take a free trial, but they don't offer, because I was curious to see whether this really is a case. Nevertheless, if that is not true, that's a risk. Number two, I think number two risk is what I mentioned earlier. It's just the security. And it has to be, that's what they're making as a part of the value proposition. That's what I noticed on the webpage. And the entire security architecture, right? Because if that is somehow breached or is not working, and we know that we have a right and left, we have these news about how somebody hacked, a chat where, or just, was able to see this and that, that's scary, right? So I think that goes against this. Actually, it goes along with this fear that I'm not willing to try this. I'm gonna let others figure it out until I feel like it's safe. So that's another risk. And I think the third one is the transparency, because they say that, it's most of the AI is like a black box. And they say, all right, we're gonna bring this transparency to you, and you will have access into the code and the processes that are just behind this, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, I think makes a lot of sense, but if people can't make anything out of it, and I think the biggest buyers might not be technical people, it almost means nothing. So I would be careful with this. But I appreciate that actually somebody's just embracing the transparency problem.